So guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Good news po sa ating mga kapwa OFW. So guys, pumirma na po ng kontrata ang DMW sa Data Flow Group sign ng agreement patungkol po sa online verification ng mga kontrata natin guys. Hindi na tayo pwede na tayong punta sa mga office ng DMW sa embassy natin Polo para mag-verify ng contract kasi online roll out na po ng digital employment contract verification system for OFW guys. So ito guys, January 9, bago lang ito. So Dubai UAE, the Department of Migrant Workers led by Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak and Data Flow Group sign an agreement guys. So dito guys, this event marks the global launch of an online employment contract verification system, o OECVS, a fully digital platform that enables overseas Filipino workers to submit, pay for, and download verified employment contract online. So yan guys, pwede natin download yung mga employment contract verified na mapa-verify natin sa online na guys. Branded with digital, mabilis, walang pila. Yan. So the OECBS has already processed over 30,000 contracts in nearly AED 2 million and about 137,500 hours of OFWs in Dubai and Northern Emirates. So gumagana na pala ito sa Dubai. So originally tested in MWO Dubai. Yan guys. The system ends the streamlined employment contract verification, reduce processing time. So talagang magandang balita to guys kasi hindi na tayo po kaya kailangan pumila saka abala sa trabaho natin. Pwede natin gawin online. So DMW Digitalization Initiative also include the OFW Pass. So may OFW Pass pala dito. And Kumusta Kabayan app, offering a shared digital identity, real-time support, and secure access to government service for OFW worldwide. So ayan guys. So Secretary Kakdak emphasized that the MOA marks milestone in transforming public service. So ayan guys. Under the agreement, the global rollout of OECVS will start in Abu Dhabi, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia. So ayan guys, yung tatlong bansa na yan, Abu Dhabi, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia, first quarter of 2026 po, mag-roll out yan. So susunod na dyan yung Singapore, other part of Middle East, and Europe and Asia in the second half of 2026. So ayan guys, good news sa ating mga OFW to. At sana mapatupad na agad to guys para hindi na tayo mahirapan sa verify ng kontrata natin. So ayan guys, maraming salamat at God bless sa ating lahat. Please subscribe, like, and share sa channel natin. Thank you and God bless.